This is Joe with FridgeFTA. We're looking at our new XBMC Android free-to-air satellite receiver. We're going to look at a couple of the free movie and TV options on the Android side. First one we'll look at is Film On. I know only the Glentech 999 is supposed to be able to get this TV. Now that they've encrypted on satellite, you can actually stream it live along with several others right from this app. Select ThisTV Boston. I don't know why it seems to think I'm in Boston, but that's fine.
Do you remember the room number?
Yes, of course I do.
Don't say it. Just do you remember it?
Yes.
Okay.
Those bars would go away, but we're not going to wait. Or we are. Now let's look at movies. And how about My Network TV Boston? And there's CW, there's all sorts of other ones. Now here's the one disadvantage of free. Occasionally before you start a channel, it'll show you an ad for 15-20 seconds. But to get all these OTAs for free, you really can't complain.
For the best of you. The new Xperia Z1S smartphone from Sony.
There we go. It's My38. Looks like Rachel Ray's on. Alright, now let's look at Crackle. So if you haven't heard of Crackle, it's basically the free Netflix. It plays uncensored full movies, kind of the same thing as the Film On, except that, you know, Crackle will show you an ad before the movie and has a couple stops. It'll show you a 30-second spot. Movie picks up right where it left off. Once again, you can't complain too much about ads because it's 100% free. We'll play Resident Evil Afterlife. This is a really good movie if you like this series. And we will resume it from where I was at. Let's see what else is available on here. Click on movies here. Show you the featured movies, and you can search for different ones and categories. They have some TV shows on here, nothing spectacular, compared to Netflix, but oh, Last Resort's on here. I didn't know that. That's a good one for as short as it lasted. The Shield, Married with Children. Anyway, you get the idea. These are just two of hundreds, if not thousands, of free streaming and video on demand options that you can get between Android, XBMC, and all on this STB, along with free-to-air satellite.